Hello guys, this is me Hari Bhattrai from Rivalry and SEO. I just want to provide a quick update about SEO tool called Moz. It is an old SEO tool. So we've been using many SEO tools like SingleWeb, Spike, which was on the computer, but oftentimes you get inaccurate results. Okay, so but now the Moz has updated this new feature. This should definitely help you guys a lot to identify who your true competitors are. So this actual competitor analysis tool provided by Moz was in the beta before, and it was actually supported on US, UK, and Canadian and Australian markets. Now we can use it from Nepal as well. So I just want to update a quick video on that. So how does it work? Let's watch it. Okay, so you might be wondering how does it work. So let's quickly jump into Moz. Okay, I'm going to moz.com here on the free SEO tool here. Click on it, and here's the competitive research. Okay, so if you click on it, let's see. So here is new. This is new. True competitor is new. Keyword gap is also new. Here is a new kind of a yellow looking badge here. Okay, so what it can do is let's just see quickly for the demo purpose. I'm using online cover as a website. So if I copy that and paste it here, so it has lots of other options as well, but I will quickly pull in the domain information first, and then I will move on to next one. Okay, so if you click on find competitors, it will sort out your competitors. Most 25 competitors here. You can get it for free. You can easily export that in a CSV file as well, so you can clearly see the domain authority, overlap, and the rivalry here. So looks like the online cover has a domain authority of 59, and the two radar is here, domain authority of 59. Nepal news is there. So these are the competitors of online cover. Kathmandu Post is also there. So Republica is also there. So with this you can study the competitors and scale it, and probably steal their strategy to grow more. So this is what it is. It helps to identify the true competitors. Here it has written top 25 competitors. Your top 25 competitors are listed below in a descending order of rivalry. So they are put in a descending order. You can select up to 3 competitors in the table and load it into a keyword gap for further analysis. So this tool is also providing you a keyword gap analysis as well. So other than that, here in the domain type, you can also include the subfolder. If the domain has a subfolder, you can simply pull in that URL here, and easily look out for the competitors. Specific keyword you want to use, a specific subfolder you want to quickly check through that, and you can also use the subdomain as well. That's for your okay. So in here also keyword gap. Let's see. So you let me just enter the online cover URL here, and enter up to 3 competitors. Okay, let's see competitors. Kathmandu Post, Kathmandu Post, Post. Here I'm going to pull in that URL here and simply paste into here. Okay, what was another one? Nepal news. Okay, let's see, and I'm going to pull in that URL here. And another one was Republica, Republica. Okay, here, and enter it here. Okay, so I'm set. Competitor 1, competitor 2, and let's analyze the competitors. Okay, let's see. It's a good update. I've been using tool for so long time, and this tool was not frequently updated, but still I was using it. But now that it has updated this competitor feature analysis, I might use it. Sometimes helps a lot. Also it is free, so you can easily utilize it. So here it has given the information. Ranking keywords 3.4k, top position are also there, page authority and domain authority information is also there. So looks like there are lots of ranking keywords on Kathmandu Post as well. The top position here, lots of other information. Okay, keywords to improve. So here's the another keyword list, where it's list is the traffic, volume, and difficulty, and the ranking information here, and also all sorts of a gap analysis this tool gives us. Kathmandu Post is as number 2 on Nepal news, and this is, since its domain is Nepal news, obviously it's gonna rank 1. Republica is also there. Online cover is at 3rd, and Ravi Lamisane, okay, so it has a good volume. Looks like Ravi Lamisane is the most searched, I think, from Nepal. So it is showing volume of 821 and difficulty level, and the rank on the Ravi Lamisane Kathmandu Post is ranking 2nd, guys. So this is interesting. It gives me the interesting news. Baburam Bhattrai is another searched person. King Virendra, Janai Purnima, on all those keyword gap analysis is here. So you can easily export, like I said before. And another thing is top competing content. Okay, so it is also giving you the who their top competing contents are. So looks like this is just the Nepal news Kathmandu Post, and here is the Ravi Lamisane and the dual citizenship in Nepal. Looks like they have a carefully planned article, and it is also ranking at Ravi Lamisane keyword. Okay, so also they have included the new Everest trail, so this is also ranking. So it also gives you the competing content. Okay, so yeah, you get the idea, right? So you can use your competitors and what kind of a content is getting hit, what kind of competitors are ranking in the SERP, and utilize that information, export that into Excel sheet, and make a strategy to outbeat them. So this is how you can use this tool. So I just want to upload a quick video on that. So enjoy, guys. I will upload new videos. Okay, see you. Bye.